way to go do a hike. So it's currently Sunday. I didn't film anything yesterday because I just spent the first bit of the morning just like catching up on housework and stuff. Sorry, just fix that. Catching up on housework, and then I met my sister in like the early afternoon. We went shopping to get some gifts for my other sister's birthday, and then they both came over and we had like a sleepover at night. So we had dinner and we just had like a really nice little get together at night, and they both slept over. And then this morning they both left, obviously, and I decided I wanted to do something really fun with the dogs because the weather's kind of held off. It's been like raining all throughout the week. Yesterday was really nice, but I couldn't really go much places yesterday because I knew that I had plans in the afternoon. So today I was like, no, I'm absolutely gonna like make the most of today and go somewhere today with the dogs. So we're on our way to the Blue Mountains. So I googled like the top dog friendly hikes in the Blue Mountains, and I just literally picked the first one. Actually, I went through a few, but I think this one, the one I picked, sorry, it keeps sliding. The one I picked was called the South Lawson Waterfall Circuit, I think. And I feel like I've done it before because it sounds really familiar. Like the photos are really familiar, but I can't remember 100%. So even if I have, I'm sure it'll still be beautiful. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So it's currently like 10:30, so I should be there in like 15 minutes. It's a little bit of a drive, not that bad actually, but yeah, that's the plan. And then I don't know what else we're gonna do for us today. We're just gonna like take the day as it comes, really enjoy it, and then I actually have to go grocery shopping tonight, just get a few things for work next week, like some food and stuff for work. Maybe do a little bit of meal prepping so that I have some like lunch and stuff. But yeah, it's honestly going to be quite a chill day, which is really, really nice. I'm actually quite tired though. I feel like it shows, but yeah, I didn't really sleep super early last night, and then I woke up early. I feel like since I've like got into the habit of having to wake up really, really early for work, because I'm usually an early morning riser anyway, but now that I've started a job and like I try and fit so much more in the mornings before I have to leave, like to do stuff with the dogs, to like get ready, whatnot. My body just like is automatically waking up at that time, no matter what day it is, even though sometimes I just want to have like a little bit of a sleep in. It's like, no, up at 5 a.m. every day. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna stop rambling. We're actually almost there. Yeah, should be a really good day. So we just parked here and Nala is straight up. Come here. I swear there's something about, I don't know, they're so smart. They know when we're like, she's going, okay, I gotta go. But anyway, I just want to say we just got here. Nala's super excited and it's just quite chill. She's been in a chill mood all day. It's quite a chill mood. And Nala's just down there. But yeah, it's actually quite busy. There's like a lot of cars here. Nala, come here. Come on, jump up. Yeah, so we're gonna head out, do the walk. Oh yeah, I was trying to say, I'm like, I swear they know when we're somewhere. They know where to park. They know when we go to the beach. They know when we're like, actually they smell something in there. I don't know what it is, but like every time I come, like it's like 5 minutes before, you can hear them. She's going crazy, and she doesn't even need to. It's not like she's going to talk or anything. Trust me, she doesn't. She just is just. They just know when we're somewhere new, and they get really excited, and it's so cute. But anyway, we're gonna go do the walk now. Hi, Lulu. See all the people, there's people. Oh, she can see a dog. All right, we're gonna go. See you guys on the walk. Waterfall, and it is actually like, you can see it, it is unreal. It is so beautiful. Like I'm so glad we came today, and the dogs are like loving it, which is the cutest thing. So yeah, I think this is the first one, and we're still gonna go see, like keep following the path and find the other ones. But yeah, we're here and it's insane. actually can't handle, like, it was a bit of a steep walk to get down, but it is like absolutely so worth it. And I can see another one over there that I'm going to try and get to, but I'm like obsessed. Like I can't even handle how beautiful this is. It is seriously the most like beautiful hike I've been on in so long. The dogs are just like so happy, which makes me so happy. But seriously, like the amount of waterfalls we've seen is just insane. Like you just keep walking and there's like waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. Like I can see why they call it the waterfall circuit, because you're just constantly like passing waterfalls. But like seriously, look how pretty this is. Look, this is just like how the dogs are down there, if you can see them. But it is just incredible. Like I can't. Hi Nala, come Luna. But yeah, it is like actually incredible. I'm so happy we came out today, and just like the start I was a bit tired. I was like, oh, I'm feeling a bit tired, but I was like, it'll be nice. But now I'm like, it is beyond worth it, like incredible. So if you're ever in the Blue Mountains area, like you need to check out this hike. It has been incredible. So I'm thinking, I think we've reached like the end. Firstly, like, are you kidding me? I can't even. Just not even like doing it justice. That's insane. But I think we've Nala kills me. I swear, for such a little dog, she's like, I have to show you, the biggest adventurer. Look at her. It's like quite steep up there. Nala, be careful. And she's just like, no. I've got little feet, but it doesn't stop me. She just loves it. They're so cute. Anyway, yes, sorry, I was just saying, I think I've reached the end of the hike, because back there's like a temporary track closure. So there must have been like a lot of damage, maybe with all the rain, that they've shut that part of the track down, and I've literally nowhere else to go. I think up there, but I don't think that's a track. Luna, come here. She's good. She's so good. Like she'll run off and explore, but literally always comes back. There she is. But yeah, this is it. I think we've reached the end of the track. I don't know how long it took us actually to get to this point. I should actually check, because we left around 11, so it's been like an hour and 15 to get to this point. So I think by the time we walk back, probably not like an hour and 15. But seriously, yeah, I just want to like stop and just, I can't even believe it. It's so beautiful. Like I kind of wish I lived closer. Not that it's that far, it's really not, but it would be incredible to live like 5 minutes away from a place like this, where you just like, you could go all the time. But anyway, it's not that bad. I'm being dramatic. It's like, it was like a 45-minute drive from me. Luna, it's closed. She's like, why is the track closed? It's closed, baby. Come on, we're gonna go back this way. Come on. All right, we're gonna do the walk back now. So we're back in the car after the hike. We were gone for probably, Nala doesn't want to, for some reason, get off my lap. I don't know why. She keeps climbing back and I keep putting her back. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so we got back. Finally, we're in the car, tired. We're all very tired. Baby, I can't drive with you on my lap. I can't drive with you on my lap. Wet and dirty. We're all very wet and dirty. I don't actually understand. I guess I'm gonna sit while we're talking. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, it was the best walk, best hike, but I'm exhausted, very exhausted. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go now, find somewhere to grab some lunch. I don't know what's really around the area, but I think we'll just drive around. Yeah, it's 1, so we've gone for about 2 hours. So we're just gonna drive around, find something to get for lunch, and then there is a donut place. I passed it on the way here, and I forgot it was on the way here, but I like followed them on Instagram, and there's like it's like a new donut shop that opened up like on the way to where we are now. So I'm for sure going to try and stop in there on the way back, get some donuts for tonight. I think my sister's coming back over tonight again. I'm not sure, but I want to try them. I've never tried them. They look really, really good. So I'm going to go to this donut shop, try some donuts from them. But yeah, we're probably going to drive around now and get some lunch, and then that's pretty much it. And I don't know why she keeps laying on me. I really don't. Baby, what's the matter? She's just super tired and I think she just wants to crash on me, but I'm obviously not going to drive like this. I will put her back, but I'll just let her have a cuddle for a minute. So we just got home not too long ago. I'm just grabbing dog towels. Yeah, we just got home not too long ago and super tired, but I really need to bath the dogs because they got so muddy today and so dirty. So I think Linda knows, look. Oh, she knows this. I swear she doesn't love bath. I'm actually, she tolerates it, I would say. But like she sees me grab the towels. I have to show you this, it's so cute, I have to show you. So she'll see me grab the towels and then if I'm like, Linda, do you want a bath? Jump in. Good job! Did you know you were gonna have a bath? Did you know you were gonna have a bath? You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah, so I wouldn't say she hates it. I would just say it's not really her favorite thing. But anyway, we're gonna do bath time. I'm gonna wash this cutie so she's all nice and clean. She's so sleepy. I've permission bathing two dogs, but little one's done. She just needs to be blow dried. I think it's like the cutest thing when I wrap her up like a burrito. I don't know why. And she's like, she loves it. She loves being like toasty warm in there. I've had Luna come in and constantly just check on us. But yeah, I'm gonna dry her off and then we're all done. Bath time is done. I have literally had the best day. I can probably speak on behalf of the dogs as well and say they've had a great day. But yeah, that hike today was just everything. It was absolutely beautiful. Like I couldn't even believe like a couple of those waterfalls, like how beautiful they were. So I'm so glad we went and did that and made the effort to go down and do the hike. And like it was just, and it was quite muddy. The track was like really muddy because I'd been raining for like a few weeks. It's been raining on and off for the last few weeks, but surprisingly it was still like completely walkable. Completely, you just have to be careful, but it was completely walkable. And there's quite a few people on the track today as well, so it was just nice like getting out, seeing other people out, other dogs on the track as well. They had people that brought their dogs as well, so it was beautiful. Like the actual hike itself was stunning, and then just like the people on the walk and the dogs getting to have like the best time was just like so beyond worth it. My sister Jess is coming over in a bit. She's actually buying some chicken. I asked her to go buy some chicken so we could have dinner. So she's buying us some chicken. We're just gonna have like a really simple dinner, and then I might do like a little bit of meal prepping for work next week because I want to have lunch already made up. It's just really convenient to have food ready to go. So I might do like a bit of meal prep, which I'll just make like this like chicken and rice dish, which is super easy to make and yeah, be convenient just to have food throughout the week. And then I don't know, I feel like chilling out. I really feel like maybe just putting a movie on, unwinding, getting in some PJs and just like having a nice slow night because today was quite busy. But yeah, that's just what we're up to right now. Nala's laying on my lap snuggling, Luna's off sleeping somewhere else. I feel like I'm going to end this video out here today because I'm just sitting down uploading all the footage to my computer so that I can edit it throughout the next couple of days. But yeah, that's it. Honestly, just my sister came over, we just had dinner and I did a little bit of meal prepping for work for the week so that I have like lunches and stuff, and then just literally cleaned up, did some washing, play with the dogs, all that kind of like general stuff. But yeah, it was really nice, kind of like just chill night. But yeah, I'm very tired. It is quite late. It's like 10 o'clock now, so I really should be in bed because I have I have a really busy week at work this week, and I've got to wake up early, so I probably should be sleeping. But anyway, I'll finish uploading all this stuff and then I'll get to bed. But yeah, that's just it. That was my day today. So just wanted to close out the video. Sorry, I had to but I just wanted to close out the video and say good night. I hope you guys have all had a beautiful day or morning or whatever time of day you're watching this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed just seeing what we got up to today. I loved it. It was just like I was just thinking about today. I've been sitting here just like thinking about it. I'm like, it was such a beautiful hike. Like, it was so nice just to be out there and just like be in nature and see just beautiful waterfalls and see the dogs so happy and just like get to just spend a couple of hours like hiking around. So I was really happy we went today. It was a really nice way to spend the day. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to bed before I like get extremely tired. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one.